This video shows you how to create segments for targeted newsletter campaigns. Segmentation is when you split your recipients into groups. This means that everyone only gets the emails that are right for them. This makes your messages more relevant and effective. The first example shows all new email addresses that were added to your list a day ago. This can be useful to automatically welcome new recipients. To do so, go to the Segments tab in your recipient list. Click on Add Segment. You'll then see various fields that you can use to filter your list. Define the following settings for your Subscription Yesterday segment. Activated on, once X days ago, 1 day. Then click on Update and Save. In the second example, use the information from your data fields for segmentation. Expand the menu on the left to see the data fields. If you've imported birthdays, just select the field containing the date of birth. In the middle menu, select Is Today Annually. This will make the birthday people appear in this segment every year. Just enter a 0 on the right to filter out today's date. Check out the video on how to send birthday wishes for more details. If you know the customer's interests, you can filter using the Interest data field to send an email only to those interested in Product 1. In this example, we've got all the email addresses in the Interest, Product 1 field. If you work with tags, you can also select these for interest-based segments. You can get more precise with your customer communications by adding further conditions. For example, you could filter for people who are interested in Product 2, live in Berlin, and are female. After that, just filter the people who didn't get the last email to send them a message. This setup lets you see who's opened an email or clicked on a link. If you want to see which customers haven't been active for a while, just select the last time they opened the email by date or time. If you need to send an email to a segment, just select it when you're creating your email or as a recipient list in the automation workflow. You can find more articles on segmentation in our Help Center.